our channel.
No, it's your channel. It's got your name in it.
Oh, we can change it. Sarah and Adam. We are headed down to Detroit today. In Vlogmas day 1, we were going to go into this marketplace after watching the Christmas tree lighting, and it was just chaos down there. And so we ended up not doing that. And we're gonna go do that today. And then we're going to do a homes tour in this neighborhood in Detroit, which they do every year. We went last year as well. We're going with Adam's mom and stepdad, but I can't film in those houses. So I'm just gonna show you guys the marketplace.
You can show the exterior.
Oh, can I?
From the outside, yeah, they can't stop you.
Oh.
There.
Okay, well, maybe I will show you guys some of it. We'll see. But I will show you the marketplace. It's so cute. I'm excited to go down there. So we'll check in when we get downtown.
Yeah, check.
Yeah. We made it downtown. We're bundled and I'm wearing my bear mittens. But we just walked through Capitol Park and now we're headed to Campus Martius Park, which is where the tree lighting was. And you'll probably be able to see it better this time because it was so crowded you couldn't even see like, the rink or really anything the last time. So I'm excited. It's so cozy down here. Not cozy, it's freezing, but it's like festive. Can you say cozy and festive for the same thing?
Right. We just got back in the car. I am freezing. I decided not to bring my hat. I have it with me, but I didn't put it on, and that was a mistake. But we're gonna head and get some hot chocolate in Midtown before we meet up with Adam's parents for the homes tour. So we're gonna go to Great Lakes Coffee in Midtown. Oh, right, thank you. This one is cool because it's right across from a huge park. This is the last house and by far the biggest. 9,300 square feet, which is insane. Hello, it is Wednesday. I have not vlogged since our little day date on Sunday. I've just been so busy trying to get all the things done. Today is the last day to order for Christmas delivery for With Love Sarah, and it is about 3, oh, it's like 4, wow. So I have a bag to take to the post office right now, and then there's just a few more hours left, so I don't know if I'll get more orders today or not, but if I do, they will go out first thing in the morning, and then that's it for Christmas shipping, which I'm so unbelievably grateful for how many people have ordered during the Christmas season, and just, yeah. I am also so exhausted from this and Vlogmas and yeah, all the things. So I have not finished my own Christmas shopping.
I'm not done buying stocking stuffers. I haven't finished the wreath on the front of my house. It's up on the door naked. So I feel like I'm slacking in things in life because I have been so busy with work, but I've been enjoying every second of it. So yeah, we're gonna go to the post office, come back. I have a package to open. I do wanna fix my wreath. It is like really, really bothering me. So I do wanna do that. And then I do need to film a video for tomorrow. So lots of things left to do today. Let's go to the post office. I just got home from the post office. You guys, I never want these balloons to deflate. I got them on Friday from Adam, and I can tell that they're getting a little not as full. And I'm so sad. I want them to stay forever and ever and ever. We're back in my office. This is the package I got today. And I wanted to open it up with you guys because I don't know what it is. It is from Algenis, and it says, because we love you and you love our vegan collagen, please enjoy some faves to keep you ready all season long. Happy holidays to you and yours. And it has the cutest gold paper. And then these are in there. This is the Genius Liquid Collagen Hand Cream. This is the Liquid Collagen Body Milk. I'm so excited to try these. And then this one is, whoop, I had a ribbon on it. It is like an actually wrapped present. I already feel like it's like Christmas getting items from brands, but the fact that they actually wrapped it feels extra special. This is what was inside of that package, which is amazing. This is the liquid collagen, and then there's the eye cream, the ultimate anti-aging cream, and then the sleeping collagen. I am so thankful for this. So thank you so much to Algenis for sending that over.
Adam bought a not very large gift, and it came in this giant box with so much wrapping, so he's now stabbing air pockets.
Someone needs to learn how to pack things.
That's a lot of waste.
Waste and inefficiency.
Done and done. And here we see Chef Adam putting the finishing touches on the plating. So beautiful. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. My mom is on her way over here now to my house. We are going to redeem ourselves and redo our Christmas truck cookies. If you guys didn't see, we did cookie decorating day last weekend. I will link the video up here, but the cookies just didn't turn out up to our standards, so we are going to redo them today. So she's on her way over here. I'm packing up the last of the holiday orders for With Love Sarah, which is insane. So I have just a couple more packages to wrap up, and then holiday is over. Wow, I just cannot believe it. So today's the last day to get everything over to the post office, and then we're gonna go to Max and Irma's. There's two left in Michigan. One of them is in a mall called Partridge Creek, and it's like 45 minutes or so from my house. My mom and I love the chicken tortilla soup from there, and so we're actually gonna drive out there because that location is closing on December 31st. So this is like our last opportunity to have it together. So we're gonna go over there for lunch, and I'm going to be filming, it'll be a different video, but I will be filming us decorating today's cookies and kind of giving you a full step-by-step on how to do it. So that's kind of what's going on today, and I am gonna decorate my wreath today. I still haven't done it. I meant to do it last night, and then we decided to whiten our teeth, and yeah, never got to it. So that is everything that's going on today. Hello, hello. It is 9 o'clock. It has been such a busy day. I told you guys earlier that we were making our redemption cookies today, which we did, and I filmed. So hopefully that video is up already. If it is, I'll link it in the cards for you. But I am freezing. It is so cold out. But I'm going to work on my wreath for my front door. So my mom made this wreath. It's gigantic. And it's out of vines. She made it for me a couple years ago, and then she just included a bunch of greenery in it. And I had eucalyptus, but I cannot find it for the life of me. So I just went to Trader Joe's. They didn't have any. So I ended up going to Michael's, and they had 70% off of all of their Christmas florals. And so I got these flocked eucalyptus pieces. So they were $10, so I got them for $3, which is awesome. So I got 3 of those. And then I also have the pine cones that are attached to my wreath right now. And then I just have some clippings from our Christmas tree. So when we cut our tree down this year, I just kept a couple of the extra clippings so that I could use them in the wreath. So I'm gonna bring you guys down to the floor with me. Don't mind my mismatchedness. I am so cold. And yeah, we're just gonna play around with it. I just like to kind of put things into the sides and mess around with it as I go, just to kind of figure out what I like the best. So I just put everything in. It's looking good. All right, I'm just gonna hang this outside, and then I'll show you guys in the daylight, because it's already dark, what it looks like on the door. This is the finished wreath. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. Hello, hello. It is Friday night. Adam and I, say hi, babe.
Hi.
Or just pay attention to the road, either way. We are headed to Rochester, which is a little downtown area that the entire main street is lined with Christmas lights. So we're gonna go down there. We went down there last year too. So we'll go down there, look at the lights, and then we're gonna go to dinner. I'm not sure where we're gonna go yet, but we'll take you guys along. Are you done with your road rage?
That wasn't road rage. There's a turn lane. They weren't in the turn lane. Why would you stop in a non-turn lane?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Okay. And so it begins. Isn't that insane? Every single building is completely covered.
Isn't this so pretty?
Wait!
It's not. I seriously love all of these lights. And the sky.
We just left downtown Rochester. I wanted to get a shot that you guys probably just saw down Main Street of all of the lights when we were driving out, and we were listening to NSYNC. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I had my window down so that I could get a shot without any of the like debris on the window. I did not realize that Adam had rolled all the windows down in the car, and he kept turning it up louder and louder, and I didn't know why, but I was like just singing and going along with it. And then we stopped at a stoplight, and I couldn't, he like child protected my window so I couldn't roll it up, and we're at a stoplight and everyone's just like looking at us, jamming out to NSYNC. Oh. We also had a grand debate. I would love to hear you guys' opinions on this. Is it NSYNC or InSync?
It is in
No,
sync.
it's not.
It is spelled with an N. It is pronounced in sync because they are in sync.
No, it's pronounced NSYNC.
No.
The band NSYNC. Yes. NSYNC. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.
In sync.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let us know down below what you guys think. I'm really losing on my Instagram poll, so if you guys could help me out, that'd be great.
Aww.
Alright, see you later.